Hello and welcome to my latest Ecovaganza video. Today I want to show you magic color. Screen printing enables you to apply a thick layer of ink. This is why it's the preferred way to print on solid colored materials. Formerly we used solvent-based inks to achieve the shown effect. Solvent-based inks have a chemical odor and are not really sustainable. That's why we wanted to replace solvent with water. There were a lot of water-based inks on the market, but they were not working on a fast, fully automatic screen printing machines. So we had to find a way to keep them from drying out on the screen. Therefore we invented a system to keep the screen moist. Magic Color was the first job we printed in this way. Using screen print, there are few limitations for fine graphic design. You should not use fine raster or line conversion elements. Unique packaging is important to sell your product. Magic Color allows you to combine cool design with sustainable printing techniques and sustainable materials. If you want to have more information about the project or order a sample box, please visit our website ecovaganza.com. In the next video I will show you another Ecovaganza technique. Thanks for watching.